California is probably one of the most tectonically active and environmentally sensitive states in the Union. And if you want to learn geology and/or environmental science, there really isn't any better place to do it.
I can't imagine a better place than the University of the Pacific to study environmental issues, and especially water issues. We've got Sacramento River coming in from the north, the San Joaquin coming in from the south, and we sit here on the edge of the delta where most of California's water comes from. It's a very important region for water in California, and it's where most of our water fights have centered.
I first got interested in the geology program when I took an intro to geology class my sophomore year here at Pacific.
I had to take a lab science for my general education course, so in my senior year, first semester, I took an intro geology course, which was Geology of California, and I loved it.
I got interested in geology when I took it for a GE, taking the information you learn in class and then going on the field trip and applying it to real life situations is what really, I guess, hooked me.
Geology is what we call a discovery major. Most students actually don't discover geology until they actually take it as a GE class. So as a result, we actually end up drawing a wide variety of students. We have musicians, we have artists, we have mathematicians and computer scientists, we have biologists. They all share a common passion for learning about the Earth.
Being a geos major really allowed me to visualize myself in a place that would actually make a change regarding the environmental injustices, and it really gave me purpose.
There's just this communal passion among everybody. It feels like everybody's in it for the right reason, and you can see it among the other students, and you can see it among the professors. And that was just something that really attracted me and brought me in.
Geology is all about the rocks and what the rocks tell us about the Earth. You can't learn geology without looking at the rocks, so we spent a lot of our time working with the samples, looking at them.
We have super small class sizes, normally about 10 to 15.
You cannot beat having 10 students in one classroom at a time because you feel much more encouraged to ask questions, and your learning experience is just that much better because of it.
Sometimes I ask abstract questions that I probably wouldn't feel comfortable asking in a larger setting.
The faculty here is incredibly supportive. I've texted my professors at 10 p.m. and they respond in minutes to help you with a lab, and it really makes it impossible to fall through the cracks.
Our faculty really like what they do, and it shows. More than what they say, they give off that sort of enthusiastic aura, something that says, I really like what I'm doing, this is why you should like it too, and we get that. It's part of why we're here.
The field component to a geological and environmental sciences program makes it unique amongst the physical sciences.
When we went down to Death Valley and we went to the High Noon Formation and actually seeing the Dolo Stone there, instead of just seeing it in the book and seeing how it changed over time, that really, I think that was really the turning point for me.
It all clicks when you're in the field, hands-on, looking at these rocks with the rock hammer, opening up these rocks and seeing the story that they have to tell. And it's an incredibly rich story about the inside of the Earth and what happened billions and billions of years ago. It's a great reminder, these field trips and field work, that we are no more, no better than what we see around us in nature.
When you travel together, you become a family. And as a family, you learn not only how to study and work with people, but how to cook with them, how to live with them, how to work together to solve problems.
The first time I went camping was with the department. The first time I saw the snow was with the department. I learned how to ride a bike at the Grand Canyon on a field trip with the department. So it's like I've had a great experience learning about geology, but also learning about myself and about life.